Hello everyone and welcome to Wells in the Family Kitchen. We're going to make pickles, which is also a cucumber. And right now I'm chopping the ends off the cucumber. And also watch those fingers. 3 perfect slices. And we'll just put them in a pile right there. And these ends you don't want, so I'll just put 5 cucumbers. But you can also call them pickles. Going to put a half of a white onion. See this? This is a white onion. Now my mom will cut the rest. So now you should have cut them into thin pieces. And now I'm gonna put them with the cucumbers. And then put some rock salt on them. But we have kosher, also known as coarse salt. That's good. Let that sit for about an hour. Goodbye. So now we're going to add in our ingredients to the pot. So we'll put in our apple cider vinegar. How much? 1 cup. Perfect. Oh, it does not smell like apple cider. And now my hands smell like vinegar. And we'll put that into the pot. And now we add some turmeric. How much? 1/8 of a teaspoon. You're right. Oh, look at it inside. Next, we'll add in our sugar. Add in 3/4 of a cup. That's 1. Oh my. Cool. Now we add celery seed with a half teaspoon. Okay, so first you're supposed to mix it, then bring it to a boil, because it's supposed to boil if it's going to turn into cucumbers. Also, remember to turn the burner on. And don't do that. Okay, it's on high. Now that it's boiling, we'll put it down to low. And now we'll put in cucumbers and onions. And also, plastic does not conduct this type of element. There's heat. Plop, plop, plop. Now that we put our cucumbers and onions in, we are going to let them cook for 5 minutes. And just for safety. So now we just turn the fire off. They look like pickles. Now we're gonna let them cool for 15 minutes. So now I'm putting the pickles into the jar.
You think they look like pickles now?
Yep. See? I'll taste one. Right after I run it under some cold water.
Tastes like a pickle.
So now we're gonna label with the big spoon it into the jar. And the juice that's is. So then it stays pickle. Or should I say pickleized? This three. On. That'll wrap it up for today. See y'all in next video. And thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Mount cucumber.
Ew.